Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. This video is on an LG dryer service call that I received just a couple of days ago. And the dryer, as you can see on this thumbnail, had a circuit board issue. The customer explained over the phone that the dryer would not start. So what I'm about to show you is how easy it is to troubleshoot it. And you don't have to have the schematic sheet to find out what's wrong with this dryer. As I explained in my membership, here are the common problems when an LG dryer will not start. First thing you're going to check is voltage. You're looking for the thermal fuse, a bad defective door switch, start switch, and for these front loaders, broken belt, motor, or last but not least, the circuit board. And in this case, it was the circuit board. So what I'm showing you here is after you remove the lid, the top of the dryer with the two screws in the back, I'm just showing you the two screws you need to remove from the back panel to access the main control board. The other screw is right here, and then you come to the front and you need to remove the two screws right here at the detergent drawer. After you remove those 4 screws in total, all you have to do is pull the panel forward. All you need to do at this point is remove the tabs that are connected to the main circuit board, and I'm just showing you a flathead screwdriver. The one thing I do like about LG is that their wiring harness and connections are color coded. And what I'm showing you here is how easy it is to remove the main circuit board from the user interface. All it is clipped in. Take a flathead screwdriver, what you see me pointing to here, and just remove the tabs and lift up gently. These are plastic, guys, and they're easy to break. So be very gentle when removing that main circuit board. Here's the wiring harness, as I was mentioning earlier, where everything is color coded. Blue, yellow, white, black, they all go back to the corresponding connections on the main circuit board, which is what you see here. So it's almost impossible to rewire this incorrectly. But again, I teach in my members area how to keep it simple so you don't rewire it incorrectly. So I purchased the board. I actually had to order it. Came back the next day because they overnighted it. And this is where I'm showing you that the dryer is working perfectly. Needless to say, I had a very happy customer. So again, I teach in my members area how to diagnose and troubleshoot a circuit board 9 out of 10 without having to find the schedule sheet or reading schematics. What I like to teach my students at CornerstoneApplianceTrainingCourse.com is how to troubleshoot and repair with simplicity. Keep it simple. As I stated earlier and in my other videos, if you take a look, I want to teach you what you need to know. I'll teach you the technical side and the common sense side. If you want to get extremely technical, then that's why I supply a 1,200-page appliance training manual. Again, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, send me an email or leave a message below. I'll answer it as soon as I can. If you're interested in one of our courses, don't forget to visit us at CornerstoneApplianceTrainingCourse.com. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future videos. As always, be blessed and be encouraged.